Welcome, sir. Before recording the contributions of our Indian astronauts, let me give a brief account of different space organizations present all over the world. Only a handful of institutes are successful in exploring the outer space. The organizations include NASA of America, JAXA of Japan, ESA of Europe, CNSA of China, Roscosmos of Russia, and our proud ISRO. These organizations are continuously exploring the moon and the red planet. After successful launching of space stations like ISS and Tiangong, many astronauts are regularly going into these labs and doing number of experiments. Indian astronauts too have played a major role in spending time in space. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to move into space with the help of Soviet Intercosmos program of Russia. Soyuz T-11 is the spacecraft that he flew aboard on April 3, 1984. He spent 7 days in space. Later, it was Indian-born Americans, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams and Bandla Sirisha, who reached the space and did many experiments through NASA. It's time again. This year, our Indian Air Force officer, Subhanshu Shukla, is moving into space with the help of NASA. He would be the second Indian into space. He would be moving into space in the month of May. It's a lucky moment that our generation got a chance to see an Indian move into space, and we are eager to watch the exciting moment. Thank you.
Simple question. Can this generation survive without mobiles? How do we watch live cricket at home? And how do we know when it's going to rain or not?
Hello ma'am, I'm Sarired and we are going to answer all these questions. What if I told you that a network of silent guardians working constantly to improve our lives? Satellites are divided into several types. Some satellites are communication satellites, navigation satellites, Earth observation satellites. Communication satellites. The INSAT GSAT series. These are the lifeline of India's communication network. They carry signals to connect remote villages.
Some use this communication satellites with the help of emails, and some other use in the form of messaging apps like WhatsApp to communicate with each other and to other parts of the world.
Earth observation satellites, the IRS series. These series are our eyes on the ground to provide the valuable data for resource management, environmental monitoring, and urban planning.
We can get to know more about land, which will help us with agriculture, about ocean, which will help us to predict floods and everything. And we can also predict weathers.
Navigation satellites, the IRNSS and NAVIC systems. These are indigenous navigation systems that provide precise positioning, time for services crucial for the transportation, disaster response, and national security.
Because of this navigating system, I can proudly say that we are secured nationally and we can navigate to any place that we want, which was a crucial and traumatic situation back then.
We know the stars such as Sun and so on so. We reach these stars through ISRO scientific missions. ISRO scientific missions like Chandrayaan have discovered the water on the moon, and Mangalyaan had launched on the Mars to know about its atmosphere and surface. These are the achievements that resonate globally. Aditya Eva mission is launched to know the information about the Sun.
All the missions that she have just now mentioned have successfully landed, and I promise that ISRO is going to continue all these missions in the future for the benefit of mankind.
ISRO satellites have a profound impact on every aspect of India's life. They empower farmers, connect communities, and protect our lives. The organization is constantly innovating and developing new advanced technologies. ISRO satellite program is more than just a collection of missions orbiting the Earth. It is a testament to India's vision.
Hi. I would like to talk about some important people, our Indian space scientists. These are the people who help India build rockets, launch satellites, and explore space. They are the real heroes behind India's success in space. It all began with Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of Indian space program. He started ISRO in 1969. Thanks to him, India launched the first satellite Aryabhatta in 1975. Another great scientist, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as Missile Man of India. He was a key figure in SLV-3, India's first satellite launch vehicle. It was only in the year 2013 in which India got global recognition with MOM, Mars Orbiter Mission, popularly known as Mangalyaan. It was led by the chairman, Dr. K. Radhakrishnan. Under his leadership, India became the first Asian country to reach Mars, that too in its first attempt. Behind success, there were many failures too. Entire nation was disappointed when Chandrayaan 2 was unsuccessful, which was led by K. Sivan, rocket man of ISRO. Later, it was in the year 2023, India got succeeded in landing on Moon's South Pole. That too, it was the first country to do so. Dr. S. Somnath was chairman during that time. Our present chairman of ISRO, Dr. V. Narayan, who was the top expert in cryogenic engines, was busy with upcoming missions such as Gaganyaan and NISAR. NASA and ISRO synthetic aperture radar. Indian space scientists proved that everything is possible through hard work and dedication. ISRO has an ambitious roadmap for the future. Our team at ISRO is preparing its own human spaceflight mission called Gaganyaan. This mission will send Indian astronauts called Gaganauts. ISRO have been preparing which aims to reduce the cost of space travel with reusing rockets. India aims to have an operational space center by 2030s. It would be their own space station for researchers and experiments. India's future plans are vast and ambitious, and we wish our Indian flag fly high in our red planet Mars in near future. If not a human, at least a humanoid. Thank you.